Please say your name and spell your name.
Sure. Jonathan Grossman, Jonathan, Grossman.
How are you employed?
I'm a police detective with the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office.
How long have you been with the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office?
I've been with the Miami-Dade Sheriff's Office since January of 2011.
What about before that?
I was a police officer with the Miami-Dade Schools Police Department since 2004.
And were you called upon to assist in a murder case that happened here in Tallahassee?
I was.
All right. Were you asked to assist with the search warrant of the defendant's residence?
I was.
Where is that residence?
It's located at 2127 Brickell Avenue, apartment 1602.
And when was the search warrant conducted?
November 14th, 2023.
As part of the search warrant, did you take photos of the residence?
Yes, photographs were taken.
All right, I'm going to show you some of those, which I've marked as 143 through 163. Just take a moment to look through those.
Yes.
Are they fair and accurate photos of the residence as it appeared that day?
Yes.
Judge, at this time, I'd ask to move into evidence 143 through 163.
Any objection?
No objection.
States 143 through 163 are admitted.
May I
Please
publish?
silence all devices. Yes, you may publish.
Publishing states 144. Is it a condominium located in a high-rise?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
States Exhibit 145. Is this kind of the view from the entrance to the residence?
Yes, ma'am, that would be closest to the front door, looking in.
And did you observe some luggage there in the residence? I guess toward the entryway.
Yes, there was luggage.
States 147. Why this won't focus for us? Seems to be better when it's zoomed in. Or not. States 148. Use the luggage tags.
Yes.
Consistent with destination Saigon by way of Dubai.
Yes, ma'am.
States Exhibit 150. As part of the search warrant, did you see some camera equipment?
Yes, we did.
Overview. Did you also take possession of some visas? Publishing states 149. Vietnam visas?
Yes, we did.
Okay. Approach and show you what's been marked as states 129 and 130. Are those the visas that were seized?
Yes.
In whose name are those visas?
One is Harvey Adelson and the other is Donna Adelson.
Are those in the same or substantially the same condition as they were when you seized them?
Yes, sir.
Move into evidence 129 and 130, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection.
129 and 130 are admitted.
Publishing States Exhibit 146. Did you seize this day planner?
We did.
Is this planner, is this how it was, open like this when you found it?
Yes, it was.
Approaching with states 59 and 59A. Showing you 59 first. Is that the day planner that you see that's pictured on the screen there?
Yes, it is.
Is it in the same or substantially the same condition as when you impounded it?
Yes.
Judge, at this time, I'd ask to move into evidence states 59.
Objection.
I'm sorry. Strike that. I wasn't moving it in. 59A served, showing you that now. The intention, Judge, is just to have 59 identified and 59A admitted. Sir, 59A, have you had an opportunity to examine it?
I recall part of it from the 59.
Okay, and does 59A contain fair and accurate copies of pages from 59?
From what it appears, yes.
This time I'd ask to move into evidence 59A.
Any objection?
Objection.
59A is admitted.
Publishing states 143. Was this note present there at the residence?
It was.
Where was this note found?
It was found on the floor in one of the bedrooms.
Okay, and it appears to be offering some information about an M11 gun to be sold.
Correct.
Yeah, you did say the date of that the search was conducted, but in case anybody missed it, will you say it again, please?
Sure, November 14th, 2023.
No further questions, Judge.
Cross-examination.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Came all the way from Miami.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry about that. You indicated that the search was done on November the 14th of 2023. What time of day did you get there?
I think we arrived around 1:15, 1:30, and I think we executed the warrant around 2:30.
PM?
Yes.
And who was present?
It was myself, Sergeant Michael Scott, Sergeant Paul Villaverde, Detective David Denmark, and there were members of our priority response team.
Okay. Was any of the occupants, were they present?
Yes, Mr. Harvey Adelson was present.
Okay. And you had a search warrant with certain things you were permitted to obtain. So were you involved in the search yourself, or you were just in charge of?
Yeah, our team. I was the affiant on the warrant, and then our team assisted with my team assisted with the search.
Okay. Was it a thorough search?
I mean, we were looking for certain things. We had an electronics canine dog also come to assist, and we conducted the search.
What does an electronics canine dog do?
Searches for electronic devices.
And did the dog find anything?
I don't remember specifically if there was anything the dog identified to. He may have hid in the closet area where a laptop was.
Okay. And are they trained to get battery operated and like plugged in electronic devices?
I'm not too sure what the level of training. I'm not a handler.
Did you see the dog in the closet? You said it alerted to something in the closet?
No, I said I believe he alerted to a laptop that was in the closet. I'm
Did
just
you-
going off of memory.
Did you observe that?
No.
Did not, okay. All right. Let me see here just a second. Did you make a list of the items that were seized?
There are a series of property receipts that were prepared after.
Okay. Based on the search warrant that you got, every search warrant has some kind of limitations, although when you read them, it doesn't really seem that limited. But in this case, you were able to search anything that was there, electronic, paper, sticky notes, etc., if it had the evidence that you, in your search warrant, you had sought to look at, correct?
Correct.
And that would have been financial records, asset ownership records, et cetera, et cetera.
I believe so, yes.
Okay. Were you the one responsible for making sure that each area that was within the home was searched?
Ultimately, our team does that, so it's kind of an effort by everybody that was involved in the search itself.
Okay,
So I would say, as a group, yes, the apartment was searched.
okay. And you're allowed to go into, you can open drawers, you can open boxes, you can open dressers, all of those things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I approach the witness? Thank you. I'm going to show you what's already been introduced into evidence as State's Exhibit 160. Does that appear to be one of the photographs of one of the closets that was searched?
Yes, ma'am.
And 157 that's been entered of the State's, does that also appear to be?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And looking at in Exhibit 157, I'm sorry, I don't mean to get in your personal space.
No, you're good.
Okay. In 157, this appears to be female clothing here, correct?
It does.
And on the left-hand side, it looks like blouses on the top, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Jackets on the bottom, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And then on the right-hand side, you can see some dresses that are hanging up, correct?
Appears to be, yes.
Okay. And on 160, does that, take your time looking at it, but does that show any electronic devices in that particular closet?
If you look towards the end, you see a USPS box, and there would be a laptop underneath.
Okay. Did you notice anything else?
Not that's jumping out at me right now.
I got really bad eyesight because I'm old. See that little light under there? Underneath that blouse?
Okay.
Does that appear to be something electronic?
It could be.
Is it a light that's on?
I see a dot there. I'm not.
Okay. Did you all, excuse me. Do you recall as part of the search going through a safe?
No.
So there would be no pictures of the safe that was present in the home?
I don't recall pictures of the safe, no.
If there is a safe with your search warrant, you have the right to go into it, correct? To look for the items that are authorized to get in the search warrant?
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Okay. If someone there had located the safe, you would document that with pictures as well?
I believe so,
Okay.
yes.
And what time did you say you left?
I don't recall
You don't recall?
what time we left. It might have been 3-something.
3-something? So you were there at least a couple of hours?
By the time I believe we executed the warrant around 2:23, maybe 2:20 p.m. So we left probably about an hour later, I think.
Okay. And, gosh, I just lost my train of thought. When you went and executed the search warrant, were you kind of aware about the general facts in this case, what the allegations were?
Yes.
Was this your first assignment on the case?
No.
What else had you done on the case?
In 2015, we assisted with the case.
Okay. I believe you maybe did some searching of the Prius.
I did.
Okay. Were you aware that there was an allegation that there were stacks of $100 bills that were in groups of 10, which would be 1,000 if my math is still correct, and they were stapled together? Were you aware of that?
I've heard that during the course of the investigation.
If you had found that inside the apartment, would you have documented that?
probably.
Just 1 second, please. One of the photographs that the state entered, and I'll go get it if you don't remember it, but one of them that they entered had some luggage. You remember that picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all search the luggage?
I don't believe we entered the bag, no.
Okay, thank you. I have nothing further.
Redirect.
No, Your Honor.
You may step down, Detective. Will he be recalled?
No, sir.
You are